Everyone abandoned small four-cylinder sport bikes. Everyone, except Kawasaki. The ZX-4RR isn't just another 400cc motorcycle. It's a high-revving, inline-four in a world full of boring parallel twins. While most bikes chase fuel economy and cost-cutting, the ZX-4RR chases emotion. Four cylinders, screaming RPMs, a sound that feels like a mini superbike. But it's not just about noise. The ZX-4RR packs traction control, riding modes, a quickshift, and a race-inspired chassis technology usually reserved for much bigger bikes. It proves that small displacement doesn't mean small performance. The ZX-4RR is important because it reminds us why motorcycles exist. Not just to commute, but to make it a hard race.